In this series on Beyond Sustainability, I would like to start with the reduced carbon footprint. And there's organizations that incentivize this reduction in the carbon footprint. We have LEED, we have green building, and I'd like to introduce you to that. Before we get into it, here's a quick chart that shows how the carbon footprint is impacted. And so it's constantly monitored in infinitesimal detail. We've got public services, we've got financial services, recreation, leisure, and so forth, private transportation, public transportation. Each of them take a percentage over and against the carbon footprint, of course, with the things like burning hydrocarbons, the production of materials, the production even of things such as entertainment and so forth. All of them have an associated carbon footprint. If you analyze it to the nth degree, you discover what that consumption consists of. So one of the organizations that works on reducing and incentivizing the reduction of the carbon footprint is the LEED program, L-E-E-D, Leaders in Environmental and Energy Design. And it's a scoring system where designers and contractors submit plans, and then they monitor the construction to see how effectively they have minimized the context of the carbon footprint. We also have LEED Canada for Homes. It's a fairly newly implemented program. It's one that we as an architectural practice were able to be a part of right out of the gate, and that is in Medicine Hat with an affordable housing project. Now the beauty of this is that we built 4 buildings similar to the one that you see on the screen here, and 2 of them were built without the benefit of LEED, and 2 were built under the LEED Homes program. So we have a very comparative project that we can now analyze. Here you see it in its final built form, and we have a LEED project that achieved the LEED ratings. LEED gets basically under the context of a jury assessed and analyzed relative to location, where product comes from, materials and resources. Do they come by rail, by vehicle? Those are things that impact the amount of carbon footprint. We also analyze the sites. Is it a brownfield site that's been redeemed? Has there been pollution on it before? So everything from material and resources and indoor air quality are things that are measured and monitored. And so in the Homes LEED program, we had to come up with adequate number of points in order to have a building that qualifies for the LEED program.